ShopOps gives you access to a revolutionary collision repair operations application and a competitive advantage that takes your business to the next level. Step into the future with our user-friendly ShopOps process management system and get immediate access to the essential tools that you need to manage, organize, improve, and fortify your business infrastructure. ShopOps is your key to unlocking the future of repairs. The exclusive business management tools found in ShopOps will give you executive dashboard control of the most critical aspects of your business, including your RepairDoc certified repair quality control process, business improvement, and so much more. The RepairDoc Smart App functionality ensures that the repair that your technician performs meets the highest level of integrity. This includes repair procedure compliance, quality parts use, safety scans and calibrations, and proof of repair to be automatically uploaded by your technician to your shop's ShopOps application. As the name suggests, ShopOps Process Management provides you with top-down self-management of your business and enables you to both macro-manage your business as well as micromanage subsets of your business. Now, over the next few minutes, we will go through the various features to illustrate the many ways that you can harness the power of ShopOps Process Management. First, go to assuredperformance.net and log in using your ShopOps username and password. Once your account is set up, the first screen that you will see is your dashboard. Your dashboard is your launchpad for the exclusive features found in ShopOps. You can quickly and easily view general information about your shop, including buttons for communications, your business profile, and easy access to your Assured Performance support team. Front and center, you'll also see appointment alerts, an appointment calendar, industry communications, and your industry news. In the right navigation bar, discover your certified repair dockets and process and dockets pending approval. Next, you will see Contact Manager. Here, data automatically populates from your shop's estimating system. You can use Contact Manager to find, add, or upload information about your customers. You can even sort customers based on their vehicle year, make and model, or export search results to create detailed reports. Your Business Certification tab allows you to complete your certification options and application, upload vital documentation, and answer questions about your facility's training, tooling, and equipment. Combined with the personalized support that Assured Performance provides, you will stay current on your certification compliance. Go to Business Certification to complete your business's certification application, certification assessment, answer compliance questions, and upload supporting compliance documentation. You will also receive your certification score from our independent inspection and evaluation, view your deficiency report and to-do list, submit payment, and connect to buying opportunities that give you access to exclusive certified rebates and discounts from affiliate services that support your business. As a company, we asked ourselves, what would it take to produce a reliable, completely secure, technologically advanced method of documenting every aspect of the collision repair process to protect the liability of all parties involved? The result was the 2020 launch of our patent-pending RepairDoc application based on blockchain technology principles. As a certified repair-capable provider, your properly trained technicians can produce fully documented certified repairs. Use the administrative functions found under your RepairDoc Certified Repairs tab to efficiently and effectively perform quality control checks, manage OEM repair procedures, store quality parts used, view completed safety scans or calibrations, and your use of approved paint systems. You can view your repair dockets, past, present, and pending, along with a handy quality control checklist setup, a complete docket history, and available certificates that are ready to download and print for every certified repair that you complete. Data is automatically imported from your estimating system, allowing you to easily and securely store the details for every repair in your private data safe, a cloud-based system where repair details are saved by VIN for the life of each vehicle. By properly documenting the repair process using RepairDoc, you can provide every customer with a printed certified repair certificate and a fully documented invoice showing the repair details that they care about most, including proof of compliance with the manufacturer's repair procedures, use of original equipment parts, and the quality output that constitutes a safe repair. Within ShopOps, marketing is made easy. You will have access to ready-to-use shop and social media marketing materials. You can download your certification logos, order and view your certified signage, set up your auto body locator landing page, request an official certified recognized press release about your business, or access our on-demand marketing tab for ready-to-deploy digital marketing assets, including downloadable brochures, flyers, postcards, social media posts, and reach your customers both on and offline. Data Manager eliminates a messy paper storage system and allows you to store your most important information within our cloud-based system. You can track statistics in Data IQ, run reports through Data Safe, download our Data Manager, and even manage KPIs using the scorecard. The Business Improvement tab in ShopOps allows you to continuously perfect your business procedures and boost your bottom line, with tools designed to help you make better decisions about your business, including a pro forma, business improvement program, and more. Next, by accessing the Training Manager in ShopOps, you can locate tutorials and training tools that will keep your team on top of industry standards, requirements, and training. Consider this tab your standard operations manual, where you can store, organize, and access all the paperwork necessary to keep your business performing at the highest level. You'll also discover checklists, templates, and even job descriptions that can be edited to fit your immediate needs. Best of all, our cloud-based data storage is secure, which means that you'll no longer have to worry about losing track of important information. Manage your staff right down to the smallest detail in our HR portal. Keep track of each technician's pertinent information, skills inventory and roster, deficiency reports, and more. Don't have a quality control or human resources employee on the payroll? Skills Inventory will match your technician's training to the necessary skills to offer every customer a fully documented certified repair. Our technology will automatically import new, completed training. ShopOps contains everything you need to build a well-rounded team of talented professionals. ShopOps is more than a space to manage your certifications. It's business intelligence at its finest and a one-stop shop stocked with all the digital tools you need to run your business with ease, expertise, and your eye on the future. Our exciting ShopOps process management was created to give you a better way to do business and offer your customers the safest repair possible. A fully documented, certified repair.